Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to attach Harbor Breeze Lansing fan. Now you have this mounting this bracket over here. You will have to remove these screws, bring this black part out, and then what you do is attach to the top here. You see the two sides here, this and this. There are screw holes, so you will attach that black part that you just separated, this one. First you remove this, you attach this part, you do all the electrical stuff, and then at the end you attach the screw back, hold the entire fan assembly. Thank you. Hey guys, so this is the part 2 of the Harbor Breeze Lansing ceiling fan 42-inch assembly. So as you can see, I'm going through the instructions. I got this down rod by removing the screw at this assembly here. Then you put this canopy, the smaller one here, and then you have this a bigger canopy at the top that it will go. So I'm like maybe 20% of the actual work here. Going through the instructions, I will show you what I did at the top here. You can see I had removed earlier the black part assembly from the canopy, because when you get the fan it would have been attached to these as earlier shown, so that has been removed and attached at the top. Okay, yeah, so you have this long screw, you see it is going through the rod. Now you have this down rod clip and you have the screw. So now you can see that the down rod, that clip has been inserted into the down rod, that portion, and you apply the screws on the side. Probably 40%. Now you can see the wires, 3 wires coming out. Now there is a ground. I think that's what green wire is. Yeah, green, the bare green is the ground, that's what it says. And you have a black which is hot, white which is neutral, and the blue is what it will go with the black when you tie all together in the wire connector. So there is instruction to cut the wire short if you want, but in my case I have just tied it together, so it will directly just stay inside this. That's what the plan is. So in one of the earlier settings I missed one step. You have to get the bigger canopy first through the down rod. There is a smaller canopy at the bottom, and then you have to apply the screw and the clip. So in one of the earlier settings I missed one step. You have to get the bigger canopy first through the down rod. There is a smaller canopy at the bottom, and then you have to apply the screw and the clip. Now you have this assembly. You can see at the top, as you can see here, there is a screw and there is a clip. So now that is secured. So you can see at the top, the white will go to white, black to black. The red from the top will go to the blue in your case, and green is green. So this is at the top. should go into the hook properly. So guys, you can see I installed this light assembly, the light kit, and the fan, the main assembly, right, the down rod, and that big canopy. So most difficult part is that hanging part and screwing the screws in at the top. One thing you have to make sure is the rod, the ball part goes into the proper socket, that slot, because if it doesn't go into the slot, then it will start rotating. So you have to make sure that this does not move. This should not move, because it is the slot at the top which will prevent it, right? So it should not move. Okay, as you can see, I tested it. So we are good. Make sure you turn off the main switch, the trip, the circuit breaker before you touch at the top until you are ready. So guys, I am finished with my installation here. I installed the light kit at the end, installed these fan wings along with the clamp, and when I turn on, you can see light is very bright. So if you want to use this fan for light purpose, it's accurate, like you can't go wrong. And it's also, as this is the slowest, it's fairly slow. Then you pull it, it goes fast. If you, it goes even faster. You can hear the noise. So light is pretty bright even during the daytime. You cannot go wrong with this fan if you want to use it for light. So, okay, thanks for watching.